What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is another video on PUBG. And today I'm playing with Gaming Boys 43. So we are landing in Blomster, and at this point we were talking about exams. Our exams has just finished, so we could totally focus on gaming. So we came over here, we saw a person over here. He knocked out and killed both of my teammates, the random teammates. Gaming Boys 43 was saved. So the number 2 was coming towards me to get revived, so I revived him over here and told number 3 to give cover me. But I saw this grenade coming towards us, then I rushed out of there in just some time, and my number 2 teammate was killed, but I was saved. So number 3 rushed towards him, but he got knocked out and finished instantly. So I thought it would be best not to rush at him because he was playing in a very good form at this point. So I saw him going behind the rock, so I told Gaming Boys 43 he was behind the rock. I pulled the grenade to throw at him because his focus wasn't at me at this point. So he saw me, he tried to take a shot at me, but he failed and he got killed. So that was my first kill, but at what cost? We lost 2 teammates. So people were rushing towards us at this house, and I was constantly throwing nades and molotovs to distract them and restrict them from coming up, so I could put some health and be ready. So I came over here. I heard 3 footsteps at this point. So I was just getting ready to face them. Then I saw one person's helmet at this point. Then I thought, okay, all of them are going to rush at this point. So the first guy rushed at us, and for some reason he threw a grenade at Gaming Boys 43, and he knocked him out as well. So I knocked this guy as well, who was trying to finish off Gaming Boys 43. Then this was the third person. I killed him as well. Then I realized that there are actually 4 people over here, and this was a very intense situation at this point because I had to revive him and then go and kill the 4th person as well. So I revived him. I put on health. Then I realized that it was too late for Gaming Boys 43 to live at this point. So rest in peace. So his 4th person was right over here. I don't know why didn't he shoot at me, but I shooted at him and I killed him. And here just about I got into the zone and put some health. You can see my health. It's so low. Gaming Boys 43 died, and the last 2 persons were rushing towards me at this point. So I was convinced that only 2 people are remaining, and both of them are in a team. So I was ready to face them at this point. So I came near the staircase. I saw one person rushing at me. Then I went there. I reloaded my gun. I was panicking a little bit. Then the second person rushed at me, and I finished them. So hopefully you enjoyed the giveaway. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.